Hey guys, today we're going to be installing a DMAX style hood vent onto my right-hand drive Subaru Legacy. So here's just kind of all the tools that I have. Hood vent is still in the box right here. So I'm going to be using a angle grinder, a drill, angle grinder right here. I'm going to rivet it on before I mold it on, drill bits, paint pens, cut off wheels, all that stuff. So yeah, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pull the hood vent out of the box here for you. Never done anything like this before, so as well. Alright, so here's the vent. Just pulled it out of the box. I got it off of eBay for pretty cheap, so it does look a little warped, but it's okay. Here it is, I'm just gonna lightly put it on the hood for now. So just so we can get a kind of a look-see to see where I want it. Seems like it's so sick.
Just need to figure out roughly where I want to mount it. Alright, I got some of the basic measurements done. The length from here to over there, length from here all the way up to this corner, this length, same thing here. Kind of have an idea where I want it on the hood. Those shitty measurements. Use my current hood just to kind of ballpark it, hopefully. Alright, so I have a very basic layout about what I'm going to be cutting out. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense right now. I tried to measure it out and it was just honestly such a pain to do. So, yeah, I'm just going to start cutting out like maybe about an inch from all of the center part here, and then just kind of slowly make my way out until I can get the back of this to fit. So, wish me luck. Top of the hood is all cut out, as you can see. Just need to cut out this inner structure here, and then I can retest fit and see how much more I need to cut.
which I forgot to.
All right, so now it's all riveted on. My GoPro died, so this is happening using my iPhone. But yeah, it's all on there now. Everything's cut out. Everything's nice and sturdy. I still have not cut out the actual vents yet. But next step will be molding on the hood. But that'll be for next time.